we got here is like a 56 or 57 MF65 Massey Ferguson. It's a complete piece of garbage right now. It's used to have a loader on it. We took the loader off so we can work on it, but you can see just how strong it was. Wanted to do a video before so we're going to be taking the head off of it and doing a bunch of other work to it.
There you can see the front power steering cylinder has been leaking like a sieve.
Yeah, it's actually so bad that it's carved out. If you look at the watermarks on it, it's like carved out a section in the side of the ram, so whenever you turn it, it just shoots out this little section here.
Radiator's been patched, not once, not twice, not thrice, not 4 times. Shoot, where is it? There it is. 5 times, 6 times. Right there, there's a little spot 7th.
All done by yours truly, Mr. Mystery Cameraman.
It currently has, it's missing a spark plug boot. The spark plug wire is screwed into the spark plug. Runs on 2 cylinders. 2 of the cylinders are no longer firing due to oil fouling. Even with anti-foulers installed. Oh, I'm getting there. Coming on around. Here, it's kind of hard to see, but you can actually see the wetness on the exhaust manifold that has also been garbage welded due to oil leaking out. You can actually see oil leaking onto the generator. The transmission's in good shape.
With the exception of the clutch.
And he just removed that cowling just so we could remove the exterior cowling. Let's see if it'll actually start the first time without having to jiggle the cable again. I got the key.
You might have to get the choke.
Hopefully not. Alright, well, here's the Massey. Take it out of gear. Here, just for safety's sake. Range is on neutral. Okay. Hit it. Hit it. So it does run. But we don't need that spark plug. We don't need that spark plug. I wish it was a diesel.
And you can start marking its territory.
I doubt it. Quite the windy day. You can see it's smoking pretty good. It's hard to see it right now, but it's smoking. If it runs long enough, the grass turns black behind it. Can't say it, but it's actually bubbling oil out the exhaust right now. So this is our next project. Put your dick in it. Does have good ignition coil. Let's shut her down so she's not too hot. Yep. Yeah, you can actually see how the grass is turning black already. Well, that is the Massey Ferguson. We will be doing updates as we tear into this thing.